Good morning, children. Today we learn about jazz poem. Jazz is the world musician feels as a messenger for the people. He is a messenger for the people of the world. He is a pathetic figure, looks very peculiar person, but at the same time, he is a commander artist. He has the power in the hymn to make people listen. He attract the people because not only his dressing is different. He has a gift that not many possess. He is a silent in speech, but elegant in music. But he speaks less, but through the music he sings and attract the people. So we learn today about the jazz. Jazz stood at the crest of the tallest hill. He was old and had a wrinkled face. His face is wrinkled, looks like an aged person. He has no interest in life. By looking only, we can understand there is no life in the figure of jazz. He wore an old faded blue shirt. His shirt was faded and is an old one. That shirt was dark and sweat. It's very dark and also full of sweat. It is smell. The tie was torn. What he has worn, the tie also is a torn one. The jacket was old and could not hold his sagging stomach. He has a big stomach, but the jacket was holding his stomach going down. He wore that old shoes which had paper inside. He has a shoes. Yeah, he wore his shoes, but in that shoes, inside that shoes, there were papers. That means it's an old one. The shoes were not fit to wear. His face was not shaved. The face was not shaved. One could see the pain in each wrinkle of his face. By looking at that figure, you can understand he has a pain in his face. He alone stood with his head down and eye closed. So his eyes always closed. He wore an old alto saxophone and chanting some religious music in low voice. So he's singing a saxophone and singing a religious music with a low voice. With that only he attracting people towards him. The old saxophone was hanging from his neck by a wire coat hanger. So he was holding like this, and the coat was holding that saxophone. He wanted to tell that he was a black man. So he wanted to tell that he is a black man, and he was singing a religious songs. Through that, he was attracting people towards him. He had been sent here to preach the black gospel of jazz. Why he came to India? Why he came onto this earth? He came to the earth by preaching the black gospel of jazz. He was preaching it with the words by loud musical sound. So he was making a loud sound also. And when he was starting to preach, he was transferred into a bird. When he started to sing, he transferred into a bird. That bird gathered its wings and flies higher, higher and higher until he flies away. So when he was singing his song, he transfigured into a bird. The bird was flying higher, higher, higher towards the sky. So like that, the jazz was singing and transferring himself as a bird and going towards the sky. He flies away. Otherwise, he came back to find himself as a black man again. So like that, jazz, he was a peculiar person. His dressing code is different. And he came to the earth to singing a religious song and preaching a black gospel. And even when he started to sing, he transferred into a bird and going towards a high. So this was the summary of the jazz.